So thank you very much, guys. Let's start together understanding the market condition for the Yearn Finance 2 as well as the Yearn Finance. Okay, Yearn Finance and the Yearn Finance value, which is Yfii. Also, we can see if there is any opportunities or if any time left for us. We can have or we can take a look at Yearn Finance L. I don't link. Okay, Yearn Finance link. So I want to start with the Yearn Finance 2 because many people now are thinking that we have an opportunity that to achieve, let's say $30,000, $40,000 and minimum. So guys, I want you just to understand that's what I am saying to you. We do this for job, okay? So that's how we make money. And trust me, it's very simple. What is the secret? Okay, it's secret. So I hope you guys understand this market conditions and share it everywhere. Doesn't matter if it's on my name or it's your name. I don't care. So let's help people to make money. This is the main reason for this channel. And thank you very much if you will subscribe to my channel and support my videos by sharing them over Twitter and Facebook. And thank you. So Yearn Finance 2, like I told you already, every time we have or we need to take a position in the market, we should divide the charts. Okay, we should divide the charts. So dividing the charts helps you to understand where are you exactly. Okay, so it's easy. So tell us, how can we divide the charts? Okay, no problem. Click here on the vertical line. You can see there is a Genesis candle. You remember the Genesis candle? And what I told you already, never buy at the Genesis candle. Never buy at the Genesis candle. Okay, under any circumstances, never buy at the Genesis candle. Okay, write down in your notebook, we should never, not we should, we must never buy at the Genesis candle. So if we will not buy at the Genesis candle, where can we buy? Simply get your, before vertical line, get your horizontal line. Okay, the high. What next? The low. So this is our keys. This is where we are now. This is the real price for the Yearn Finance 2. We will call it Yearn Finance during this video. Okay, so this is the real price. Now, after that candle closed here, if you buy here, you are giving them your money simply because they are buying over here, and now you are giving them your money, and then the market will start to drop. Okay, because here we are done and we need to let's say get our benefits out of the market. We should reap the benefits we had during this session. Okay, this is the daily session. So this is the structure points, and this is the key points now for the Yearn Finance, and as well as any Genesis candle. Trust me, you will be in troubles if you don't get, let's say, the structure points as the highs and the lows in your charts. Okay, this is very important, guys. Okay, so this is where the price is blockade. Okay, so understand this, please. This is where the price is blocked. You should blockade the price by simply tracing the high and the lows. It's very simple, guys, trust me. But we should understand, we should get the knowledge to practice this every day. So what happens next? You can see, guys, why I told you why you should never buy at the Genesis candle. Now let's skip and see what happens next. So here, guys, you can see that there is now some people are buying the lows here, which is at $3,000. Okay, which is at where? At the $3,000. So simply now, guys, we should be careful now that the price created another key, which is the high of this candle here. Okay, and we should now get the attention or let's at least get ready where the price will continue to have another new blockades, and we should get over the breakouts. We should trade the breakouts. So this is the first key, and this is the second. So even if you simply at the Genesis candle, you create an order to buy at the low of this candle by simply pointing your mouse here, you can see the low are at the 3,000, let's say 100. You can set an order, and you automatically, when the order has been activated, you can make 50%. It's very easy. So now let's be more conscious and let's extract or explore what happens next. So this is what happens, guys. People now, or the algorithms, still taking the opportunities down from you and make you scared that there is some, let's say, some bearish movements in order to have their your Yearn finance to done and guts and trapped from you. Then they will accumulate it during their sessions, okay, which is the first day, the second, I think during 3 sessions or 4, they will now pump the price, and you guys will buy where actually they want you to buy. And then what happens next? Guess what? So the dumps comes again. Okay, so this is it. Now, after we can move, I will be so honest with you. I didn't check this chart already. I promise I didn't check this chart already. I think 2 times I just had a simple look. I didn't get inside the price action and the algorithmic levels extraction. So with the 5 circles here, we can point from the high all the way to the downside, okay? And we can see that the markets have many levels here, which is this is the first and this is the second. Now we can see that there is the 0.15 is pointing at the same high here of this candle, which is the key point I told you already. Now let's move on and set our goals here at 6,300. Okay, then the 6,819, we can say $7,000, and also we can have another lows. You can set the horizontal lines, it's no problem. Okay, you will get a harmony during your trading. You can see the beautiful algorithmic levels respected like you are a wizard. Okay, so let's move and see what happens next. So guys, this is the second. Okay, this is the second. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. This is the first time. Okay, the first time they got their let's say benefits out of the market and retest another low here. Then what happens next, guys? Markets start to drop. So simply, we already knows by using simply the 5 circles that the markets from this levels, we can have 100% another dump. Okay, so I wish you guys understand the market conditions and the algorithmic levels, because many people now talking about quantitative algo trading and talking about algo trading, simply the idea that they want you to know is nothing is manual, nothing is easy. When you hear, oh, algorithms, it's something powerful, we need mathematics. No, guys, you don't need mathematics. All you need is understand that you have now one of the algorithmic, let's say algorithmic tools, which is the 5 circles. I know how the wells works. So the 5 circles, the 5 time zone, also the 5 retracements are some tools that have been programmed inside this algorithms. It is on the database already. So guys, now we can have another chance by simply adding some, let's say, calculation, simple calculation. Don't be scared if you hear a calculation, it's very easy. Okay, so this is the high here at the 9,800, let's say, okay. Can get closer to 9,900 minus the low of the 6,900, okay, 6,900. So we can have the $3,000 now, like we can call it the supports, okay. So $3,000 here, it's one of the supports, and you can see that the market actually respected this area here, but we cannot say exactly 100%. But if we want to get 100%, the structure point actually still trading lower than this level here. Okay, and you can see that the market respected the 3000. So already by some calculation, you know that 3000 is a support. Okay, which is already a support. Even using the simple technical analysis, you can extract the support so easily. So now, guys, what should we do next? Okay, what should we do next? It's very simple and it's very easy. So bring the 5 circles here. Okay, click here from the high all the way to the low. Okay, and then you should be careful trading these levels here, which is the first one here. Okay, and this is the second. Okay, and then we can have $5,000, the 0.61, which represent the corrective wave. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so this is it. So now, guys, we have the levels set and we should be careful trading this market. Now, if we want to buy, simply we should get the attention to see where are we now. Okay, should we buy or not? Simple. It's very simple. Just listen to me. Now you can see there is a reversal candle called a hammer. Okay, called a hammer. This hammer is one of the reversal candle that gives a probability of the market to continue to the high. Okay, to the high. So simply we should understand that if we want to buy based on this candle, we should wait, okay, the market to close, I mean the weekly chart, okay, I mean the weekly candle, sorry, to close at the midnight of the Sunday. So starting from the Monday, we can get our orders done. Okay, so we cannot call this a hammer until it's closed. So we must, not only should, we must respect market conditions and we should respect the rules. So this is a significant point where the market have a probability to make another, let's say, at least 50%. Okay, at least 50%. So we will not buy the Yearn Finance now because maybe they want us to buy because we can see some reversal candle, but we should wait. At least we should wait. So this is for investors. What about scalpers, people who wish to buy when the market actually starts to see or to show, sorry, some positive levels? So get inside the 4-hour chart, and you can see here there is a moving average appears. So there is a probability now the market can trade to retest at least the $4,000. Okay, so I'm 100% sure that this level here is algorithmic and it will help not helping, but actually serving the pumpers to sell at the highs. Okay, and you can see that even a bearish engulfing appears at the same level, which is the $4,000. Now they are messing with the prices, so you cannot see the exact price. So be smart, it's the $4,000. Doesn't matter, 4,005, sorry, 4,100, 200, it's a 4,000 level. Okay, so guys, just be careful now. If we break higher than this level, then there is an opportunity to continue. So what if we didn't actually, let's say, continue to the high? Simply, guys, remember, every pump will get another dump above it. Okay, so a pump now, a dump later. It's above, they are waiting above it. So let's wait what the market, how the market will behave at this price here, and we can see later if there is any opportunities to take. Also, I am not trading the Yearn Finance too. I can buy, no problem, but at least I can wait for the candle to close. Okay, so we can be sure that at least we have something to rely. At least we can have something to rely on. So this is the 4,000. This is the $4,000, which is let's say an intraday resistance, and also you can change the color so you can actually get the knowledge, or you can be sure where your points are set. Okay, so this is it. Okay, now it's good. Some kind of a rainbow colors. Okay, so this is it. This is all for the Yearn Finance 2. I don't actually, I'm not telling you to buy or not, but I want you to understand how the game works. So later you can have your orders, let's say, fulfilled with success. Don't want you to lose money with some, as long as we can use some, I mean, stupid things, it's very easy. Nothing so mathematically or something very hard to understand. It's very easy. So this is all for Yearn Finance 2. Let's move on to Yearn Finance Value. Yearn Finance Value, guys, you remember these levels here? You remember this level? We talked already about these levels. Many people criticize me. They criticized me because I said it's an let's say there is no positive things I can see in the charts, and this is a scam. That's a scam for us as a trader. We can make money at any markets, but it's a scam for the investors who bought at these levels here. Trust me, guys. Okay, so we must have solidarity to at least help them prevent the mistakes to be repeated. This is why I told you it's a scam. No one actually will respect what I say, what I'm saying now. But I am sure that this is the truth. Okay, this is the truth. So no problem, guys. If you lost your money on Yearn Finance Value, this is your time. Okay, it's your opportunity to revenge. It's very simple. You can see, guys, here that the market now shows some kind of, let's say, the end of this impulsive wave. Okay, so we can see that now there is a probability that the markets actually, not the market, sorry, the wave ends at the $5. How you know that? Experience. So what if you're wrong actually? Simply, if I'm wrong, it doesn't matter. I have stop loss, and also I have where the price, where I can buy as a price and where I can sell if something goes against what I am thinking. If something goes against me, so no problem. I have my stop loss, 5%, 10%, no problem. I know later I can get my money. Also, I can get some profits from that kind of pumpy dumpy tokens. Okay, so here $5, 79%. So guys, I think if I'm correct, okay, if I'm correct, I think we can have another bullish signal all the way to the $20. So this is just a speech, nothing else. Let's move to understand where now where are we now? Where actually should we buy Yearn Finance Value? So I think, guys, it's very simple. All we have to do now is simply waiting the market to behave from $10 to the $5. So our keys are inside the wave here. Okay, our keys are inside the wave here, nothing else. Now use the 5 retracements and start from the high to the low, okay, because we are looking for the uptrend to come. Okay, then wait how the market will behave at 50% of the correct wave. This is a correct wave. Why? Because we can see that something happens from the 1 Fibonacci to 0. So thank you very much, Fibonacci. You can see the algorithms now. When you respect algorithms, you can see that the 50% of the Fibonacci represents the low of this candle. Okay, this is how we trade, guys. This is how the game works. So now we will do nothing just by waiting this level here. If any, okay, any reversal candle appears at this level here, buy Yearn finance value. Okay, any reversal candle from 50% all the way to the, let's say, the moving average. Now you can buy from this level, but it's dangerous. Why? Because we need at least a significant point to protect our money. Okay, if something goes against us, so this is the first wave, we need another second so we can be sure that the market goes at what we wish, but we should place our stop down. You can buy here and you can set the stop loss here, but unfortunately you can have a big probability of let's say a speak slow, or I think there is another scientific term, I think. So sorry, I forget. When the market reverse just to stop, or the drops, okay, your stops and then returns. This is very simple, but to prevent it, you simply need to wait the lows to confirm. Wait the lows to be confirmed, nothing else. Okay, it's very simple, guys. So now we should be careful trading this market by simply waiting. Simply be careful by waiting. So patience, actually, it's something really, I think it's very, if you can have patience, then you are very wise. So by patience now, you protect your money and you have the ability to make it. So from the level here, guys, okay, you should wait, okay? Then you can buy it later. If any reversal candle appears here, guys, you can buy, set your stops below, and then target the first moving average at the 8.67, okay? Or you can buy for a target of the $10, no problem. But this, the golden horizontal line here, is your structure point. Okay, it's your structure point, because we can see a clearly, okay, a reversal market, or let's say a reversal wave here. Okay, it's a reversal wave, and the market conditions, if you remember the last video, we talked that there is a high, so this is a high, and there is a low, and there is a high, and there is a low. So there is what we call an uptrend start to rise at the hourly chart. And remember what I told you here for this candle. So it doesn't matter, guys, don't be afraid. We will be with you every day. If there is any opportunity to make money trading the Yearn finance value, I will be so happy to announce it in my channel. Okay, I'm planning to make a Telegram account, sorry, a Telegram channel, so we can share the knowledge. Maybe we can create a group together, so we can share knowledge and we can understand this market conditions together. So this is it, guys. I think there is nothing left for the Yearn finance value. Okay, we can move to the Yearn finance link. Okay, Yearn finance link. So okay, this is the 300, this is the low of 400, then 1000, okay, 600. So guys, if you want my advice, stay away from this chart or from this token. I know we can make money, maybe we can return to the 1000 or maybe more, but trust me, there is a risky, actually, the algorithms can play against us. Okay, so this is the Genesis candle. Like I told you, this is the structure point, and also this is the high of the structure of the levels here. Sorry, the algorithmic levels now ends at this level here. or the algorithms will distribute from this level. And actually this is what happens in one candle. They chose all the Yearn Finance links because they knew there is nothing deserves. So okay, so you can see we have a candle here, okay, at the $400. Now we can have the low of this Genesis candle here and another significant point which represents a resistance. So this is what's happened, guys. You can see that the market drops below, okay, drops below the Genesis, sorry, the hammer here and the structure point, then it returns. We can trade the returns. We can trade actually if the market comes back higher than the level, we can buy again, especially if there is any bullish engulfing, but it does contain risk, okay? It does contain a lot of risk. So in my opinion, we should be careful trading this market and trading this this token here, because I can see some suspicious manipulation that will cost you a lot of money. Okay, so I think this is the first resistance, the second one, and this is the target. Okay, then this is the second target. Okay, so I think this is all for Yearn Finance link. So this is it, guys. I think we can target these levels here at the 700. Okay, so you should be careful. I told you, be careful. I repeated many times. This token here have no chart reputation and have no respect for the market conditions, because I think there is some hidden orders or hidden fights between orders somewhere else, I think, or maybe the creators and the exchange. So in my opinion, if you want my advice, prevent to trade this what we call Yearn Finance link, this token. So guys, now it's all over. Thank you very much for listening to this video. You can repeat it each time you feel or you need to understand the market conditions and algorithmic levels. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I will be so happy if you follow me on Twitter, okay? And you can ask anything you want. So guys, thank you very much. And I hope you have enjoyed this session. So see you later, guys. Thank you.